Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time, but finally I am back, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video on how to do butterfly locks on your hair. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because content, So you're going to need a moisturizer, a cotton comb, white tooth comb, detangling brush, crochet pin, a brush for your edges, and of course the hair. I'm going to be using Darling Passion Twist. Oh my god, the clips, you need a clip, girl. So I'm going to moisturize my hair first, and after that I'm going to be using my white tooth comb to comb my hair because I don't want any tangles or anything. After that I'll use the cotton comb to cut my hair into small boxes. Then I'm going to braid my hair. I'm going to be doing a lot of single braids. Yeah, you need a lot of single braids. Oh, that's the reason why I need the tangling brush. So yeah, after doing a lot of single braids, we're going to go into separating the passion twist. The reason why I'm separating it is because I need to add volume, and just know that you don't need to separate it too much. You just need to separate it a little bit just so that the hair has volume. So after separating the hair, you just need to pass one part of the passion twist across your hair. And just remember that you just need to drag a single part. And while you're dragging it, you want to make one part longer than the other part, and then hold your hair to the shorter part and use the longer part to wrap your hair round. You need to wrap your hair round at least 3 times on the root so that it will have a firm grip, and then after that you can go down. And then to create the butterfly lock effect, as you're going down, you're going to use your thumb to hold single hair as you're wrapping the passion twist round your hair. So just continuously keep on holding hair, wrapping it, leaving it, using the thumb to hold another hair, wrap it, then leave it. Use thumb to hold another hair, wrap it, and leave it until you get to the length that you want to get to. When you finally get to the end of the hair, you need to use your thumb and put the hair upwards, wrap it, and then use the same process that you did where you're coming downward upwards. I'm going to show you a more detailed video so you can get it properly. So when you get to the end, all you need to do is just use your hands to rub the hair together, and then it's going to stay by itself. Yeah, that's cool, right? So just to show you again, after passing it with your crochet pin, you make the shorter one, hold it to the hair, and then use the longer one to wrap it. Continue to use your thumb to hold hairs as you're going down. You hold the hair, wrap it for some while, and then you leave the hair. You hold another hair, wrap it for a while, and then you leave the hair, and then you create the butterfly effect. When you get down, use your thumb to hold the hair and face it upwards, wrap it round your thumb, and then you can remove your thumb and do the same process that you were doing downwards, upwards. When you get to the end, you use your palm to rub it together, and then that is your butterfly locks. So this is the end result of the butterfly locks that I did, and it's looking great, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I actually did this butterfly locks by myself, so I'm so happy to share what I have learned with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.